Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best struts for Honda Accord that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Detroit Axle 2.4L Struts sway bars, designed for 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord models. This package includes 2 front struts with coil springs, 2 front sway bars, 2 rear struts with coil springs, and 2 rear sway bars. Detroit Axle has ensured that this kit is ready for installation with no additional tools or modifications required, which is great for those looking for hassle-free replacements. In terms of design and build quality, these assemblies are sturdy, featuring durable black finishes and materials that undergo rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing. However, the kit is noticeably lighter at just 25 pounds, which could raise concerns about long-term durability. Performance-wise, users have reported mixed results. While the ride quality is decent and suitable for everyday driving, the struts seem to struggle under high stress or performance scenarios, which is reflected in the 3.3-star customer rating. This package is backed by a generous 10-year warranty, but it's worth noting that the mixed reviews indicate potential inconsistencies in manufacturing quality. Overall, this kit is best suited for budget-conscious buyers who need a quick replacement for non-intensive driving. Pros include the affordability and ease of installation, while cons include average performance and questionable durability for heavy-duty use. At rank number 4, we have another offering from Detroit Axle, the 2.4-liter 4-piece suspension kit for 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord models. This kit includes 2 front struts with coil springs and 2 front sway bar links, making it a more streamlined option for those who don't require rear suspension components. Like its sibling product, this kit is designed for quick installation without the need for special tools, and it undergoes durability testing to ensure reliability. The design is modern, with a clean black finish that pairs well with most Accord models. Weighing in at 25 pounds, this kit is lightweight and compact, making handling and installation much easier. Performance-wise, this product has earned a stellar 5-star rating from customers. It delivers smooth rides and reduced vibrations, making it an excellent choice for everyday driving. However, it's worth noting that the smaller scope of this kit limits its versatility compared to full suspension packages. With a 10-year warranty, Detroit Axle offers peace of mind for long-term use. This kit is ideal for drivers who need reliable front suspension replacements without breaking the bank. Pros include excellent customer ratings and easy installation, while cons include the lack of rear suspension components, which might not suit all buyers. Coming in at rank number 3 is the eccpp front pair complete strut assembly for 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord models. This package features 2 premium quality front struts pre-assembled for quick and easy installation. eccpp emphasizes durability with S8E 9254 spring steel and a special surface treatment, ensuring strength, toughness, and corrosion resistance. These struts are designed to improve ride comfort and stability, making them a great choice for long-term use. The design and build quality are standout features, with a robust black finish that resists vibration and extreme temperatures. At 39.6 pounds, these assemblies are heavier than most competitors, which speaks to their solid construction. Performance-wise, the eccpp struts excel in reducing vibrations and providing a smoother driving experience. Users have praised the quiet operation and enhanced driving stability, earning the product a 4.2-star rating. With a 1-year warranty, eccpp offers reasonable coverage, though not as extensive as Detroit Axle's 10-year guarantee. This product is ideal for drivers who prioritize quality and durability over budget-friendly options. Pros include strong build quality and smooth performance, while cons include the slightly higher weight and limited warranty period. At rank number 2, we have the Detroit Axle 8PC front struts kit for 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord models. This comprehensive kit includes 2 front struts with coil springs, 2 sway bar links, and 4 tie rods, outer and inner, making it one of the most complete packages available for modern Accord models. The struts are pre-assembled for easy installation, and the additional suspension components provide a full refresh for your vehicle's front end. Design-wise, this kit features a sleek black finish and durable materials that undergo rigorous testing for impact, wear, and fatigue. Weighing 35 pounds, this kit is reasonably lightweight given its extensive components. Performance-wise, Detroit Axle delivers exceptional stability and smooth handling, making this kit perfect for drivers who prioritize comfort and precision. The package is backed by a 10-year warranty, showcasing the brand's confidence in its product. This kit is ideal for owners of newer Accord models who want a complete front suspension overhaul. Pros include the comprehensive set of components and excellent performance, while cons include the higher price point and limited compatibility with older Accord models. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Complete Struts front and rear complete strut assemblies for 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord models. This set of 4 includes 2 front and 2 rear quick complete strut assemblies with coil springs, making it the perfect solution for Accord owners who want a full replacement for their suspension system. Designed specifically for non-hybrid models, this kit promises compatibility and performance right out of the box. The build quality here is impressive, featuring painted finishes and durable materials like spring steel and rubber. At 80 pounds, this kit is one of the heaviest on this list, which reflects its solid construction and long-lasting durability. Performance-wise, these struts deliver a smooth, comfortable ride with excellent vibration dampening, earning a 4.7-star rating from users. The installation process is straightforward, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Backed by a 1-year warranty, Complete Struts offers reasonable coverage. This product is ideal for Accord owners who need a reliable, full suspension upgrade at a competitive price. Pros include excellent build quality, smooth performance, and easy installation, while cons include the exclusion of hybrid models and a relatively short warranty period. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.